It's working. Ahanba mata. Is it okay? I'll use this one. Ahanba mata nam asibu kondirba ishobu kurumjari, and greetings to all my fellow colleagues. Mayampuna mapusu kurumjari. Today, I stand here to express my deep sorrow, disappointment, and anger to all the concerned persons responsible for this 3 years long Manipur crisis. Okay, Manipur crisis. I use the term Manipur crisis. My fellow Manipuri, please let us use the correct vocabulary. It is not a conflict. It is a crisis which is engineered by and orchestrated by the government of India. And why I'm saying it is government of India. When the crisis started, we all were talking about some unknown hidden hand. We also use the term Turanthaba. We also use the term Joro. And I think many of our colleagues must be knowing Joro ki marakta khwai taki sathiba Joro number 7. Do you remember Joro number 7? Now, as the crisis went deeper, the Joro number 7 is very, very visible and identified now. And Joro number 7 is nobody else but the government of India. And none of our legislature has the guts to question the government of India. Manipur is a small state with hardly 25 lakhs population. The population is even lesser than the population living in Delhi itself. Why can't the India government stop the crisis or end the crisis? Are they willing to end the crisis, or they don't want to do the end the crisis? Crisis se lohan ba ngamdabra natraga thagoin ki lohan loyena lohandabra. We need to ponder upon this, my fellow Manipuri. We need to wake up. Please wake up. I am not going to shout here for we want peace. How can a peace come in a state when our fathers, our savior remain silent? We keep on shouting and asking the people why you can't stop this. The government of India I'm talking about. And I'm also equally disappointed with our media fraternity also. So my media fraternity today taking this platform, I want to convey that media is considered to be the fourth pillar of democratic country, acting as a watchdog of, the governance. You are the fourth pillar. Why don't you question the government? Why are you coming here and question us? We are civilian. We are just a civilian. We don't have the power. Why you people have not questioned the government? Why the crisis is not ended? Don't be biased. I want to ask Mr. Modi, हमने क्या गलती किया है? मैतई ने क्या गलती किया है? You tell me. On the 3rd May 2023, the Meitei were just doing their normal life, playing with the small kids, going to school, the people going to the office. We are just doing our normal life. Then suddenly the attack came. The attack came. Then till 15 to 20 days, we were not even knowing what exactly had happened. The people were trying to rescue the people living in the Chura Chandpur or in the affected areas. We don't even know what exactly had happened. Whereas the other side, the fact is that their people working in the government officials were taken leave and leave the valley 2-3 days before, and there is evidence also. The media people, why don't you ask this? Please ask the government. This is the crisis of Manipur. The crisis of Manipur is now clear that it is an orchestrated crisis engineered by the government of India using Kuki militancy. There are so many theories and propaganda going on. Like, there is a foreign hand, then narco-terrorist angle, then, fracture sovereignty. The state is, fractured and dismantled into fractions and all. There are so many theories going on. But when you look at the pattern, you need see the pattern. Pattern देख लीजिएगा. हौजिक मैदै नमु ताकथरे. तांखुलगा कुकीगा मु तौनरे. को अदुना मोइना हाइदुसे. It has been यो तो चलते रहते हैं इसे दोनों समुदाय के बीच में. Is it actually happening? Mr. Modi, I need another 2-3 minutes. Mr. Modi, you talk about the Akhand Bharat. You cannot glorify your Akhand Bharat when one of your own state is burning. You forgot the sentinel of the east where the Manipuri. We are not the, guardians. We are the guardians and custodian of the eastern frontier of your sovereignty, sovereign India. You cannot dream of Akhand Bharat when your one limb, the most important state of your country is sewer like anything. And that is also engineered by you. You should be ashamed of. How can you talk about Viksit Bharat when the youth and the children cannot go to the school? You said youth are the pillars of the country. How can youth, when the youth are the pillars of the country, then look at the youth of the Manipuri. Jara nazariya badal ke to dekh lijiye kya Modi ji? We are not separatists. You compel us to feel like we compel us to demand our pre-merger status because your silence hurt us. Manipuri Iraicha Singh, Salaicha Singh, Manipur protect tong nabagi na magta India government ki darkar lai bro. Like that, we don't need. We can protect our own land. We can protect, and every Manipuri cannot negotiate the integrity of Manipur. You said that, you used to campaign about 8 पेड़ माँ के नाम पे. Just a media gimmick? What about the mother in Tronglawil? That also you remain silent. You choose to remain silent. Your selective treatment to the Maitai shows that you engineered this crisis. Thank you, everyone.